It was a struggle to get here to this cold country, but I was met with early spring bulbs, flowers, tulips and lush display gardens. Can this be the Towa? Rumour has it that there should be a new Swedish environmental item that's created great interest since it was unveiled as a prototype. Now it's a reality. The watering can Towa for valuable plant nutrients and organic cycles of everyday life. As I understand it, it's a chamber pot and watering can, all in one. Genius. It's a really good-looking watering can that you can sit securely on. It can take quite substantial baths, and then all you have to do is dilute it with 9 parts water and out you go, to watering your plants. It's been known since ancient times, but in modern times we're using expensive chemical fertilizers instead. It's called liquid gold. It'll do well at the Chelsea Flower Show. I'd like to see the Queen try it out. Nice packaging. Can I get a Towa, thanks?